guys, welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. In this episode, we're going to make rice wine chicken barbecue with vegetables. First of all, we have to preheat the oven about 200 degrees Celsius or about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's get started. I got some chicken breast here, about 500 grams. Sweet soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Normal soy sauce, Chinese rice wine, olive oil, garlic, pepper. I'm gonna put 2 tomatoes inside, 1 red bell pepper, and broccoli. So first of all, I'm going to marinate my chicken. I'm gonna put my chicken into a big baking dish. So I'm gonna put all of the sweet soy sauce. This is about 2 tablespoons. Put in the skin. I'm gonna put some soy sauce. Oops. 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna put some, so the rice wine about 2 tablespoons too. So you're just going to shake it like this a little bit. Put some garlic powder, about 2 teaspoons. White pepper, 2-3 teaspoons. So, and we turn it around. So, perfect. Now we're going to deal with the vegetables. So let's start with broccoli. So just cut them off. This is the most delicious thing. Don't throw it away. Okay. Like, I'm gonna cut it half this side and just put it directly inside the chicken. I have about 50 grams of broccoli too. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the stems. So you cut off this part that you don't really like. You don't want to eat that. Just cut it away. Just cut away the hard skin. You see that? This is the part that's so delicious. You can also use a peeler. So I'll throw this up. See that? All inside the baking dish. So I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic on top. Pepper. A little bit of salt for the vegetables. And some olive oil. wrap this with aluminum foil and put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. So the chicken is already in the oven for about 40 minutes. Oh, it's very hot. I'm going to take this out a little bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the chicken breast out and put the vegetables underneath. Let's see how I'm going to do that. So what I'm doing right now, I take out the chicken breast and put it on a plate and put it back again. But before that, I mix the vegetables a little bit with the sauce and put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. So this is how it looks like after extra 10 minutes in the oven. I'm going to cut some of that. Oh, it's so juicy and soft. Gonna put on top of the arugula. I just made some extra sauce for that. Soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and a little bit of lemon juice. Just put on top of it. Oh, don't forget the vegetables. So yummy. And some parsley. So now the most exciting part, to try it. I'm gonna try the chicken first. It's really good. It's juicy, soft. You can taste the rice wine. It's not too salty. It's a little bit slightly sweet. So good. Gonna try the broccoli and the bell pepper. Well, thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye!